What's up, everybody? Welcome to Macky Be Outdoors. I just got spanked at my own blind, so yep. Stay tuned for the video. There's three to your right above the sun. See them? I know, I seen those two, but there's three more that were back there too. Here they come. Get him, John. John, what the fuck were you doing, dude? What the fuck were you doing, though? You ready? Let them circle again. Unless they come down. Fuck it, take them, huh? Don't put your gun on me, please. Shoot a shot can. John got his first pintail today. We had to go to the shot cam, do some freaking slow-mo. He hit it like not even a quarter second before I hit it, but yep. It's a beautiful freaking drake. That's a beautiful one. Oh, there's the group in the back. Oh, yeah. Come on down, girl. Come on down. See that group in the back? Look at them, look at them. Oh, they want to, John. Look at them. Right in front of us. See them all? See them? Here they come, brother. Oh, they went up. Something spooked them. Here they come again. Something spooked them again. Get them? Good shot, John. Look, one more got up. Oh, dude, that was a far shot, brother. You lucky fucker. So we can shoot that high, huh? Gun jam. Look at this guy, dude. I bring him out to my blind, my honey hole, and he smacks all these fucking ducks. He already got a pintail. Now he just shot a fucking drake fucking ringneck. Or no, I mean a green wing, yeah.
But he's a drake.
Fucking two drakes already. I don't even got a bird. Alright, so over there we had a nice little staggered line again. The mojo up on top, the battery died though. But it's up there. John brought some decoys, so he set up some spoony decoys out there. A few decoys, and we ran decoys on the side as usual. Same few mallards in the bag. Same blind, same setup. Not as many birds today. Thought there was gonna be a lot of birds, but it just turned out to be a really windy day. So, came out here. I think I fired 9 times. I didn't hit nothing. John fired, and he ended up, I don't know how many shots he fired, not that many. He ended up with a green wing, drag, pintail, and galdwel, and I think, and yeah. So, super fun, not as many birds. I don't know where the hell they're at. They're not flying. The weather though, kicking up. Not sure what time it is, but we're packing up and out of here for the next rainstorm. I mean, we would stay, but we've been sitting for an hour and not a bird came in, so we're done. All right, guys, later.